everyone, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I've been working on some fabric bead necklaces and I thought I would just share with you. They turned out so cute and it was so easy to do. This is a complete no-sew project and most of these things you probably already have in your craft room. I am using these really wide hold plastic straws. This is one thing that might be a little bit hard to find. I'll link it down below. I did find these on Amazon. You can also use a narrower straw. You're just not going to have quite the large pendant that these turn out to. I'm using 5 beads for each necklace. And that first piece of fabric, again, these are all scraps. They're about 7 inches long. And these are about 1.5 inches wide, but you could also make them however wide you want. I made some that are 2 inches wide. And this second piece of fabric that I'm wrapping around is again 7 inches long, and I've just tapered that into an elongated triangle shape. That way you can get a lot of the different colors showing and just real artsy looking. The next one I'm going to wrap just a little ways away from the first one. I'm pulling this somewhat tight. You want it to be nice and smooth on there. And again, just gluing at the beginning and at the end. Starting my second one and just wrapping around, and just we'll be adding a little bit of dot of glue at the very end here. I was only able to get 4 beads on each straw, so then I added another bead to that other straw there, and now I want to decorate them. I have several different cords and fibers and just things that people have gifted to me in different colors. And one bead, and now this bead I'm just stringing through here with a needle threader. I find that works really well to get cord through these beads. It's hard to get a needle through, so that needle threader really works. And I'm just tying this tightly around one bead and just double knotting it. My fingers are really gluey at this point, so I'm having a little bit of a struggle there, but just double knotting and getting that bead in the center. That bead acts as a focal point when this pendant is put together, but you can add beads to all of them, or just do whatever you want. There's so many different ways of doing this. There's no right or wrong way. I did see this project made with paper beads. I saw a picture of one, and I thought, well, I can do that with fabric beads, and I think that it just would be a fun accent on a plain colored shirt. Using a dull scissor, well, you don't want to use your good fabric scissor, obviously, for this. So I just have this dull scissor that I'm cutting these, and you want to cut it close to the fabric. I don't want that plastic straw to show. And arranging these how I want it, that one with the bead is in the middle. I have my bodkin here. This is a great little gadget to just to have on hand. You can use it for elastic or putting a draw through casing, but it works great for this. I'm using a silk ribbon here, and it's cut approximately 45 inches. And I'm just, you can kind of see what I'm doing, zigzagging this or just putting it through, and then taking it through the top one. And then removing that bodkin and putting it on the other end and putting that one through that bead as well. Pulling it tight. I was really happy about how tight or how together these beads stayed. I didn't have to use any glue on the individual beads holding them together at all. This worked really well with just this cord. one last one here. And then I'll tie a knot at the top of this after it's pulled nice and tight. I did, on some of these, added another bead to the top as well, and you'll see them in the end here. I'll have some pictures. I also used leather lacing or leather cord through several of them, and that worked great too. This one I'm just going to tie the top of it in a knot, and it'll just go over your head. Some of the other ones I added like a lobster claw closure. And there it is. You'll see some pictures here too, and what the side looks like. I hope you enjoyed this, everyone. I thought they'd make nice little gifts as well. Be just a fun, easy project to do. I hope you have a chance to create. I do have these listed in my Etsy store if anyone's interested. Have a great week. Bye for now.